Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my weekly analysis of index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So I hope last week was a very good week for you all. My analysis would have helped you all very much in last week. So if you see last week also, I had said Nifty is little bit confusing to me. I had said to be cautious at Nifty at this level, this candle, but Nifty opened gap up on next day itself, and Nifty clearly showed that it is not at all confusing. And you can see Nifty broke upside and then continuously it made higher highs and higher lows, right? It showed some momentum. Though Nifty made, you can see a clear good thing here is you can see red candle, green candle, red candle, again green, again red, and again green. So this is why I was saying Nifty was little bit confusing. And I always say, now you know, I always say don't go with the color of the candles and all. Yes, it does matter, but never get fearful by watching the color of the candle. Why? You can see red candles here, but still Nifty was in uptrend, clear uptrend, right? Okay, let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I clearly said Bank Nifty is highly positive to me. It has a huge momentum left. It is highly positive. Focus more on Bank Nifty. I had clearly said many times in my video, and you can see all green candles and huge momentum. And we were at 22,350, and from here we made 24,500 or 24,600 approx. So you can see the momentum, clear cut momentum in market. And so let's see, last week is the past, so let's see about future, what can happen in future. Okay, so to that I had already drawn, okay, let me just draw those resistance level. Okay, so these are the two resistance levels as of now that I can see in market, which is 11,900 level, and another one is 11,785 or 790 level. Okay, so these are the resistance. So what can happen next week? So I am clearly saying again that index is still in uptrend and the momentum is still going to continue. You have to buy on every dips. I am quoting these lines before starting my analysis only. Okay, so what can be done for next week is, let us go to 3-hour charts. Okay, here I see something that I wanted to share with you all. Here I see a channel. Let me draw. Okay, I hope everyone can see this now. Here we can see a channel where Nifty is continuously hitting the lower line of the channel, lower trend, and then again uptrend. It came down, again up, and then came down, took support, and then again up, it took support, and then again up. So this is continuing. I hope, I feel this is going to continue till next week. I feel Nifty can be in this, Nifty might be, okay, I'm not 100% sure because there is not 100% surety of anything in market. I do feel Nifty can be in this range for next week also. So what I would suggest is, if you get a dip at these levels, you first of all you have to draw this pattern in your chart and then you have to leave it. And then once you get a dip, then buy. Once you get a dip, buy. So you can go along with the momentum, right? So most important thing in market is you have to follow the momentum. Okay, so till when it will continue? Okay, there is an important level that I can see here. It is 11,585. to 11,575. okay, you can draw this level in your charts also. Okay, this is the support level that I feel, and if at all this breaks, this level is breaking, then the momentum will be stopped. Why? Because the higher highs and higher low, that momentum will be that pattern will be broken, and then Nifty can fall from here. I'm not saying it will fall, I'm saying that there can be profit booking and little bit a dip. Okay, I'm saying a dip can come in Nifty if this is broken. I'm not saying Nifty will go into downtrend and all. Still, my suggestion would be Nifty and Bank Nifty is still sideways to uptrend only. Okay, no downtrend, especially in Bank Nifty. We will talk about that, but as of now in Nifty, it very clearly you have to be very careful in Nifty. Okay, careful as in you have to watch out for the dips. If you get dips, then better. Okay, and upside levels that I am expecting Nifty for the week is 11,800 to 11,900 level. Okay, so in Nifty my plan is going to be buy on dips. If at all I am getting these levels, then I am going to buy on dips for the upper levels. I will going to buy for the upper level targets. Okay, so now what will happen if this channel is broken? So we will see that also. If that channel is broken downside, let's see first downside. If it is broken downside, then draw another channel like this, same level, clone this in your chart, and then expect this downside level. Okay, if this is broken, then expect this level as your this trend line as your first target, and you can again draw in another channel that should be your second target. See, this is weekly analysis, so this is a positional trades, right? So you don't have to keep the mindset of one day intraday levels, because this is weekly analysis. So in future, if I'm making any daily analysis video, then we will talk about intraday levels also. But as of now, in weekly analysis, wait for the dip and then to go long. Okay, and okay, if it is breaking upside, let me just draw that also. If this pattern is broken upside, then draw a same pattern again like this for upside level, and then wait for this upside target. Okay, when this is broken, then this upside trend line should be your target. So I hope this is clearly visible to you all. So next week in Nifty, we might see Nifty trading in this range only. Okay, we might see Nifty continuously trading in this range only, and then from here we can, if at all a breakout happens, then we can see a uptrend in Nifty. Okay, so this is about Nifty that I am explaining, and next is about Bank Nifty. Okay, let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as I said, it is clearly in a uptrend. So I had shared this pattern in earlier video also. Let me just draw it again. Okay, if you have been continuously watching my videos, what I had said that once this rectangle pattern is broken in Bank Nifty, then your upside target should be this level, which is 25,300 to 25,400 should be your first target, and then your second target should be this, which is 27,500, 27,600. Okay, so the this level, let me just draw a line. Okay, this is the level that I am expecting. I'm not saying in month and all. So you can see a clear cut here, a resistance. This was a support, but now it is a resistance. Okay, so what my plan is going to be in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is highly bullish, so for few days I am not going to focus on Nifty much. I am going to focus more and more on Bank Nifty. Okay, listen my words very carefully. Words are very important. I am going to focus more and more on Bank Nifty for coming few weeks or coming few months. Why? Because there is a lot and lot of space which is left in Bank Nifty. It is a good and huge breakout in Bank Nifty. So my plan is buying on every dip, that is buying heavily on every dip. That is my plan for Bank Nifty. So I am going to do this. Last week also I did this, and there was a huge money that I made last week. So that was as per my analysis, and I followed my analysis. So that was the reason why I made money. Okay, so this is the levels, positional levels in Bank Nifty. So draw these levels in your chart and save it, and buy on dips until these targets are achieved. Okay, talking about in a smaller range, let me just take you to 15 minutes. So for a dip, okay, these levels, because there is no much bigger levels in Bank Nifty, because the sky is already open in Bank Nifty. So the sky is open, you can just enter in Bank Nifty, but always remember, wait for a dip. Okay, so this is a support level which I can see in Bank Nifty, and another support level that I can see in Bank Nifty is this. Okay, if at all any one of you if at all we get these dips, then I am definitely going to buy heavily on these dips. Okay, another important thing is on Friday session I really missed this huge momentum. Okay, to be frank, I really missed this huge momentum. Why? Because as I said, I don't ride a running horse. Okay, another important thing is I was waiting for a dip at this level, but I was ready to short at this level, but Bank Nifty made a huge momentum, and for this upside momentum I had not planned. Okay, I didn't plan for this a day before yesterday. What I had planned for is I was waiting for a dip here. So my planning was for a sell side, but Bank Nifty broke upside, so I didn't enter, right? So this is the discipline that you have to maintain if you want to sustain in market. Okay, but I totally covered this rally till end of the day. Okay, I am not carrying forward any positions, but I did cover all the second rally. I waited for a dip, and once I got a dip, I did posted in my channel also that this should be your stop loss, this level. Okay, let me just clear it. Is just a second. Okay, I clearly said in my premium channels, this should be your stop loss and go long in Nifty, in Bank Nifty, and I hope those who followed it would have made a huge money in this. I did made a huge money in this in few minutes. Okay, and then at the end of the day I booked my profit, and I exited. Okay, so if at all I get a dip over here, then it would be a good moment to me. I will enter heavily again in Bank Nifty. Okay, so I hope this video was useful to you all. Okay, like last week, this week also Bank Nifty is highly positive, highly momentum, and my only one request is please don't trade against the trend. Why I am saying this? Because I know a lot of people who are ready to take a sell position in market, or they have already took sell position. They thought that Bank Nifty or Nifty has shot up so heavily, so there might be some correction, there might be some profit booking, and also they are already taking PEs, they are buying put options, they are selling call options, and they are already in huge losses. So please don't do this. Always try to ride the momentum, always try to go with the trend. So here the trend is very clear, it is uptrend. I have been saying this in my past videos also. Last week I had clearly said Bank Nifty is in uptrend. There can be huge momentum in Bank Nifty, and that momentum has all we have seen. And also there is a huge momentum, it is pending in Bank Nifty. Okay, so Don't short the market, especially bank nifty and especially bank stocks. Go with the trend, and I hope you will all make some good money in market. Okay, so I hope this video was useful to you all, and I hope coming week would be a very good week to you all. So make some good money in coming week, and if at all you like this video, then definitely hit the like button, and also do comment your views, and do share this video with your friends and your fellow traders and all. So take care of yourself and make some good decisions, and do add your own analysis with this, and then take any position in market. Okay, so guys, take care until we meet on our next video. So take care and thank you for watching.